In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy table from Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prompt Perplexity to create a table for you, copy it cleanly, and paste it into Google Docs so it's ready to use or share. First, open your Perplexity account in a web browser and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main page, go to the search bar. Here's where the magic starts. Type a prompt that clearly asks Perplexity to create a table. Be specific about what you want in the table so the AI formats it correctly. For example, you might say, create a table with columns for item, description, and price. Or make a comparison table of 3 project management tools with columns for features, pricing, and platforms. The clearer your prompt, the better the table will be. After you submit your prompt, give Perplexity a moment to generate the response. You should see a table appear, often with headers across the top and rows, filled with data. Before you copy anything, skim the table to confirm it includes the columns and details you expected. If you notice anything missing or mislabeled, you can quickly refine your prompt and let it regenerate. When the table looks good, highlight the entire thing. Start at the top left corner of the table, click and drag down to the bottom right corner so every cell and header is selected. Make sure you don't miss any columns on the far right or rows at the bottom. With everything highlighted, copy it like you normally would. Now switch to Google Docs. Open the document where you want the table to live, place your cursor where it should go, and paste. In most cases, Google Docs will recognize the table structure and preserve the rows, columns, and headers. You should see the same layout you had in Perplexity. Once it's in Docs, take a quick look at the formatting. If a column feels too narrow or the text looks cramped, you can adjust column widths by dragging the borders or apply your usual document styles so it matches the rest of your work. A brief scan to confirm the number of rows and columns, header text, and alignment will save you time later. And that's it. You opened Perplexity, prompted it to create a table, copied the data, switched to Google Docs, and pasted it in. Follow these steps anytime you need a fast, clean table from Perplexity AI into your documents.